Earlier today, aerospace manufacturer and small satellite launch service provider PLD Space announced that it raised more than $200 million in Series C funding. I spoke with Ezequiel Sanchez, PLD Space's executive president, about his company's mission and how it will allocate the new funding. Take a listen.
Well, after 50 years in the space, getting to launch a rocket is still difficult, and it's a complex problem that we're solving. So the company was founded 14 years ago, and what we do is we're a transport company. We deploy satellites into orbit.
All right, and congratulations on your funding round. How do you plan to allocate that fresh round of capital?
Well, our business requires the deployment of infrastructure, so we plan to reinforce our infrastructure in Kourou, in French Guiana, and also to deploy other spaceports. So this funding, what will make it set like a clear roadmap for the company to get into commercial space.
All right, and what impact will increased launcher availability have on the space economy?
Well, the space economy, it's a global market. We are based in Europe, in Southeast Europe, in Alicante, and our capability is global. So what we aim is to offer another possibilities to fly and to deploy constellations into orbit. So as a global company, we aim to be a competitive transport for any type of orbit and any type of payload.
When you say payloads, I understand that means you'll be launching objects into space. What types of things will you be launching?
Yeah, we will be launching satellites. So we are a commercial satellite transport company. What we will do is we get from our clients satellites at Earth level. And what we do is we put it into a specific orbit. So we aim to have up to 30 launches per year. So we'll start with the launch of Miura 5 in the second half of this year, and this round will make possible, but we aim to scale up and be able to launch up to 30 launches per year.
And you mentioned Miura 5, you've already launched Miura 1. Can you break down these two launches for us?
Getting to space it's a hard stuff. So what we did is we created a suborbital flight. It's Miura 1 that was launched 2 years ago. It was launched from Spain. And with that, what we did is we brought along a good team of people and also the reliability and all the systems in order to be able to launch Miura 5, which is our second commercial operations vehicle, and with that we will have the possibility to become like the first European company to successfully do a private launch.
All right, and what differentiates you from companies doing things that are similar?
Well, they get into space is hard, and there aren't that many possibilities to launch. Most of the capacity is being used now for deployment of many constellations, and despite you can see there are some possibilities. In fact, it's hard to find. What our clients told us is that having availability also for the coming years is going to be one of the key success factors for constellations to reach commercial operations. Yeah.
All right. And what is next for PLD Space?
We want to launch any type of orbit with any type of payload. So we are deploying a new launcher, which will expand our performance also and the possibility to launch bigger payloads. And our roadmap is to become a successful and reliable competitive company. So not to be depending on subsidies or on specific missions, but being able to offer a global solution to the market.